Studios. Today, we're making chocolate cake. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows. 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup sunflower oil, 1 cup warm water, 6 eggs separated, 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 200 grams of chocolate, 300 milliliters of double cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 1 tin of caramel. Start by separating the eggs into 2 different bowls. After that's done, add 2 cups of sugar to the bowl with the egg yolks in. Follow that up with 1 cup of warm water and 1 cup sunflower oil. Then beat it together until the mixture thickens. In another bowl, sift the dry ingredients, so 2 cups flour, 2 tablespoons baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. After that's done, add the sifted dry ingredients to your mixture and mix them together. Then, beat or whisk your egg whites until they start to form peaks. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, then fold the egg whites into the mixture. After that's done, grease your cake tins with some butter to prevent sticking. Then, pour your mixture as evenly as possible into the 2 cake tins. Place them into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. You can tell when they're done by sticking a knife in the middle, and it should come out clear. Once that's done, take them out the oven and place a dry cloth over them for around 10 minutes before taking them out of the cake tins. Cutting around the edge with a knife will ensure it doesn't stick before releasing it and placing it on a serving tray. Then, whip the double cream and melt down the chocolate. Add around 2 heaped tablespoons of the cream to the chocolate and mix thoroughly. Then, open the tin of caramel and spread it across the first layer of the cake. Follow that up with the rest of the double cream. Then place the second tier of the cake on. Coat it with the chocolate and decorate to your liking. After that, it should be ready to serve and eat, best stored in the fridge.